are you?
So
Where are you from?
my name is Bill Stedman. I'm from Essex, Massachusetts, and I'm a gun owner, and I'm always looking for products that really work. And this stuff here, this DVC, how do you pronounce it? NeeRugo. I've experimented with it by spraying it on tools and things like vice grips that rust overnight practically when they're outside, and it's like a miracle. No rust whatsoever, and I've left it out for like 2 months. And so I'm going to start experimenting with this and seeing what else it can do. But it's like the greatest thing I've ever found. So we'll see what happens. Tune in for more. What?
Tell them about the muffler.
Oh yeah, so I had a van and I had it sandblasted underneath because I'm going to coat it with chassis paint. And so I thought I'd try this on some of the bare metal. And sure enough, no rust at all. And so I just need to get this in larger quantities and maybe spray it on, and it really does the trick. It prevents rust. And the Navy uses it, so it's got to be good. So,
awesome.
yeah.
Thanks, Bill.